I didn't know you had elves working here.
Boy, you're hilarious, my friend.
Does Santa know that you left the workshop?
You know, we're all laughing our heads off.
Did you have to borrow a reindeer to get down here?
Jackweed, I get more action in a week than you've had your entire life. I've got houses in LA, Paris, and Munchkinland, each one of them with a 70-inch plasma screen. So I suggest you wipe that stupid smile off your face before I rock bottom your ass. You feeling strong, my friend? Call me Elf one more time.
He's an angry elf. Look at you. Ow! Hey, wait! I wasn't ready for that. Hey.
Call me Elf one more time. Call me Elf.
You're an elf.